Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power down or lock the watch to prevent accidental inputs, and place it face down on a soft cloth so you don't scratch the screen. Next, orient the watch so the sensors face up and find the two release buttons along the case's band slots. Press and hold one release button, then slide the band out parallel to the case. If it resists, press again and wiggle gently. Repeat on the other side. This method prevents bends and preserves the lug mechanism for new bands. Once both old halves are removed, examine the new band's rails and align them with the watch slots. Slide each rail straight into the slot using steady pressure. You'll feel or hear a click when the locking pin engages. Make sure the textured or clasp side faces the orientation you prefer, top band toward 12 o'clock, bottom toward 6 o'clock, so sensors and fit remain correct. After installing, tug each half gently to confirm engagement. This avoids accidental detachment during daily wear and keeps water resistance intact. Finish by wearing the watch to confirm comfort and sensor contact. Adjust the clasp or remove links to avoid slippage or pressure points. Inspect the rails and slots for debris or bent pins. If you see grime, clean gently with a 70% isopropyl swab and dry fully before retrying. If a band won't click in, don't force it. Remove and reseat the rail at a slight angle while pressing the release button. This troubleshooting step corrects alignment issues and prevents damage to the locking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.